All right, everybody. We're back at fulltimepressure.com. I want to take you over once again to the Black Business Bible. I know a lot of entrepreneurs and business people follow the page. I want to make sure you're utilizing the tools and getting the most out of the things that are provided to help you grow your business. So we're going to come down here. We're going to scroll down here past a lot of interesting tools. And we are going to go to the privacy policy generator. This is one of our things that we provide for free. Privacy policy generator. Starting a business, I know everybody can't afford a lawyer, don't know all the paperwork to write out for a privacy policy for their website, which is necessary, as is a terms of service. Come over here to the privacy policy generator. You're gonna scroll the screen up a little bit. We're gonna put the information in. Big company. Big companies with the apostrophe S because they're saying it belongs to the big company. Big company LLC. HTTPS mybigcompany.com. Bam. Mybigcompany.com. My big company privacy policy. Ooh, typo. And then we're going to click on generate. Scroll down a bit. Big Company LLC operates as mybigcompany.com. Website visitors, like most websites, collects non-personally identifying information, gather the personal information, states the website, all the legal jargon that you need. There goes your privacy policy, and you can simply hold down the left click, scroll down to the bottom, right click, copy, go paste it in a Word document, convert it to a PDF, and now you have your privacy policy. Again, we got plenty of tools for you to grow your Black-owned business at fulltimepressure.com. Just click on the link in the menu. Right here for the Black Business Bible. All the tools you need. Most of them are free. Some of them are paid. Please stay tuned for the Freedom Gazette. We're going to turn your whole life around and open up your mind to some new perspectives that really help you gain success in your life. We'll see you tomorrow.